Today discuss about exponential function. Exponential function. Exponential function.
आपण रखिए नॉर्मल पेन पेपर आता बघेल अच्छा से
Let f of x equal to a to the power x or e to the power x. X is belongs to R is called exponential function. Exponential function. Then properties. Properties of exponential function. Exponential function. Properties number 1. Domain of f equal to R. R means minus infinity to infinity, then double I. Range of f equal to R plus, that means a is greater than 0. Double I. F of x plus y, this equal to a to the power x plus y, then this equal to a to the power x into a to the power y. So this equal to f of x into f of y. IV f of x minus y, this equal to a to the power x minus y, then this equal to f of x divided by f of y. Then graph. Let f of x equal to 2 to the power x, 2 to the power x, then here x 2 to the power x 0, x equal to put here x equal to 0, then 2 to the power 1, that means 2, 1 0, 2 to the power 0 means 1, then 1 equal to 2, minus 1 equal to 2 to the power minus 1, this equal to 1 by 2, or this equal to 0.5. Then plot a graph. This is the x axis and this is the y axis. 1 2 3, so on, minus 1 1 2 3, then 0, 2 to the power 0 means 1, so x equal to 0, तो point equal to here 1, then 2 to the power 1 means 2 to the power 1, this is the 2, then again minus 1, तो 1 by that means 0.5. तो पॉइंट मान को जॉइन करिवा, दिस इज द लाइन, दैट मीन्स योर 2 to the power x, your a is greater than 1. Again second things, this equal to a is less than 1 and greater than 0. This is the second graph. Your a is greater than 0, less than 1. So this is the exponential function. Example, y equal to f of x equal to 3 to the power x, comma 5 to the power x, so on. Similarly, y equal to f of x equal to e to the power x, e to the power 2x, e to the power minus 3x, etc. So here value of e equal to 2.714. This is the constant value, e equal to 2.714. This is the exponential function. तापरे पढ़िया में trigonometry function, trigonometry function, then trigonometry function, trigonometric function. So here 6 functions are there. First one is sine function. F of x equal to sin x. F of x equal to sin x. X is belongs to R. Is called sine function. तापर हम पढ़िया properties. Properties of sine function. That is y equal to f of x equal to sin x, then put here some values of x, that means x sin x. What is the value of sin 0? Sin 0 equal to 0, then pi by 2 equal to 1, so on pi equal to, what is the value of pi? Pi equal to also 0, then minus pi by 2, that is minus 1. So first property is DOM of f equal to R, then double I, range of f equal to minus 1 to 1. This is the lies between minus 1 to 1. Then triple I sin x plus y. So this equal to sin x into cos y plus of cos x into sin y. Suppose it minus আসলে এটি minus, then IV sin 2x equal to 2 10x divided by 1 plus 10 square x, 10 square x. Then graph V, it is a odd function. Sin of minus x equal to minus of sin x, so it is a odd function. It is a odd function. Then graph graph 0 pi by 2, then pi 3 pi by 2, 2 pi, here minus pi by 2, minus pi, minus 3 pi by 2, minus 2 pi. Maximum value is here 1 and minimum value is minus 1. This is the sin theta value lies between minus 1 to 1. Then 0 sin 0 value of sin 0 equal to 0, value of sin 0 equal to 0. Here 0, then 1, value of pi equal to 0, minus 1, so like this. Then here minus 1, 0, and so on. This is the graph is lies between minus 1 to 1, minus 1 to 1. This is the graph of the sine function. Next is cosine function. Number 2, cosine function. Cosine function, that is, let y equal to f of x equal to cos x, x is belongs to R, is called cosine function. Then property. Properties, here y equal to, first one is f of x equal to cos x, then cos of minus x equal to cos x. So this is the even function. Even function double I dom of f equal to r third I range of f equal to -1 to 1 -1 to same. Trigonometric function sin and cos are same, that is minus range is -1 to 1. IV cos of x plus y, this equal to cos x cos y minus of sin x sin y.
And vice versa.
Then here minus means plus.
It will be plus.
Then cos 2x v cos 2x, this equal to 1 minus tan square x divided by 1 plus tan square x. This is the important formula. Cos 2x equal to 1 minus tan square x divided by 1 plus tan square x. Then graph. Y equal to f of x equal to cos x exactly same process. This is the x cos x 0, value of cos 0 equal to 1, pi by 2 0, pi minus 1, then 3 pi by 2, this equal to 0, again minus pi by 2 equal to 1 0. Plot the graph. Here 0, pi by 2, then pi, 3 pi by 2, 2 pi, minus pi by 2, then minus pi, minus 3 pi by 2, minus 2 pi. Your maximum value is 1, minimum value is minus 1. Exactly same figure. Your cos 0 value is 1, तो 1 रू स्टार्ट करिबा 0, then minus 1 like this. Then here
minus
minus
5/2
minus 1, like this is the graph of the cos x. Next one is tangent function.
trigonometry.
Next one is 3, that is tangent function. Tangent function y equal to, let y equal to f of x equal to tan x, x is belongs to R, is called tangent function. Tangent function properties. First property, tan of minus x equal to minus of tan x. This is the odd function. Number 2, term of f equal to r minus of two n plus 1 pi by 2. तो वैल्यू ऑफ tan 0 इक्वल टू 0, value of tan pi by 2 equal to, that means sin theta divided by cos theta equal to tan theta. तो pi by 2 means sin pi by 2 means 1, cos pi by 2 means 0. तो undefined, that means 2n plus 1 pi by 2 r रू माइनस करदेबा देले हमर डोमेन पाइले. डोम परे तापर आसला 3 range of f equal to, that is r, this equal to minus infinity to plus infinity. Number 4, tan 2x equal to 2 tan x divided by 1 minus tan square x. Number 5, tan x plus y equal to tan x plus tan y divided by 1 minus tan x into tan y. Here minus, then here use minus sign, here plus sign. This is the properties of tangent function. Next graph of the tangent function. Y equal to f of x equal to tan x, so this equal to sin x by cos x, sin x by cos x. Tan x, x put here 0, tan 0 equal to 0, then pi by 2 infinity pi zero. Similarly 3 pi by 2 infinity minus pi by 2 minus infinity minus pi, that is 0.
Graphical representation.
Then graph, this is the x axis, this is the y axis. Then 0, pi by 2, pi, 3 pi by 2, 2 pi, minus pi by 2, minus pi, minus 3 pi by 2, then minus 2 pi. This is the 2 pi. Here 0, tan 0 equal to 0, then pi by 2 infinity. Similarly pi, that is 0, pi by 2 infinity, then here minus pi by 2, like this. This is the graph of the tangent function. Then cot function. सबड़ा पढ़ दो तुरंत जहाँ जाए सब पढ़ दो. Cotangent function. Cotangent function. Cotangent function. Let y equal to f of x equal to tan x, sorry, this cot x is belongs to R is called cotangent function. Tangent function properties. First property is cot of minus x equal to minus of cot x. This is the odd function. Negative asla mane odd function. Then second, dom of f equal to r minus of n pi n is belongs to z. N is belongs to z because value of cot pi is undefined. Third, I cot of x plus y equal to cot x cot y minus 1 divided by cot y plus of cot x. तो माइनस असला माने minus asla mane it minus plus then here minus. Then I will range of f equal to r. Range of f equal to r.